Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to insert a video into your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here, and you can go ahead and create a presentation. As you can see, I have already created a presentation, and here I have some slides right here. So let's say that I want to add a video to one of these slides. How do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here in the upper left corner where it says insert. You want to go ahead and click that button right there. Clicking on insert guys, now this will open up this new drop down menu where you have multiple options such as adding an image or a text box and so on. What I want to do guys is go ahead and select this video option right here. Opening a video guys, now this will enable you to either add video from YouTube, or you can type in a direct URL, or you can select from your Google Drive. So if you have videos on your Google Drive, you can select them also. If you have them on your PC, you will have to first upload them to Google Drive and then select them from Google Drive. But yeah guys, you can search anything, you can search even YouTube. Let's search for anything, let's search for a tutorial. And searching for tutorial guys, now this will open up this new video, it's called tutorial, and you can bring in any video that you want into the presentation. I'm going to go ahead and select this video right here. I'm going to go select it. As you can see here guys, now it has successfully been added to my presentation. You can resize it if you want, you can move it wherever you want. And after that guys, after you're satisfied with it, just go ahead and click anywhere and it will be automatically saved. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.